Hey Stu family, welcome to today's video. We're going to show you our latest quarantine project.
That's right, like many people, we are finding time to do all the little things we didn't have time to do before because we are constantly home. And the latest thing is our memory wall. In fact, it's our Milestone memory wall. You can see at the very heart of it is our what do you call it? The award, our 100,000 subscriber milestone, blah, 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 silver play button. There it is. Thank you, Melanie, for bailing me out there. The silver play button. And we didn't know what we wanted to do with it, Zoo Family. When it came, we were thinking, you know, we should hang it somewhere. And I think in that video, I said, I have an idea of what I want to do. Well, this was it. And we found the perfect collage that you can pre-buy these collages on Amazon and then just fill it with the photos. And what we did was we took photos of our various milestone trips. This is 10,000 and 1,000 up here at the top. And then up here we had 25,000, that little weekend trip for Mother's Day that year. I think that was 2018. And then down here we have our latest. This is the 100,000 subscriber trip. And then we have the 50,000 subscriber milestone trip to New York and New England and all that. And it's just, yeah, well, yeah, and then we have those photos too. So we have a couple of picture frames that came with the set, and we chose a family photo for one of them, and then a picture of the twins in utero, the sonogram photo over there. I will show you. There's the sonogram photo. And
they helped us get to 100,000.
Yeah, they helped. The twins definitely contributed for sure. And we just love it, Zoo Family. Every time you walk in our front door here, this is what you're presented with. And it really, like, we've yet to have any guests over. I know. Because
Mom was here yesterday.
Yeah, and she asked about it. Like,
she's like, oh, this wall's cool.
Right, and it stands out. It totally does. And it really highlights the award, the silver play button, without like making it like the centerpiece of everything. Yeah. It's a piece of the journey, right? Kids, what are your favorite memories? Can you like pick a favorite memory from this wall looking at these photos? Really? All the way back to here? Aw, what makes you say that one?
Because I think that was my first one.
It was the first trip to cabin.
Yeah, you were so new to our family. Like, you didn't speak English yet. We remember using Google Translate on the phone, and the phone would speak to you in Bengali, and yes. Oh man, what about you boys? What do you think? Favorite trips, favorite memories?
So hard.
It really is. It really is. You know, Canada was amazing.
It was so amazing.
Panama City Beach will always be special. I think I have to go with like New York and the 50,000.
That
like,
was really cool.
That was great too, and it didn't get cut short, unfortunately, like Canada did.
But look at this cute girl.
Yeah, look at that. I know. Look at the photos are just so precious in here. We had to be really selective, exactly.
Church.
Yes, this one is at church, and we chose this photo. Does anyone know why? Kids, you know why we chose this exact photo?
It's on Easter. I know that.
Well, no, it's actually not. It's Father's Day, and you can tell because I'm wearing the tie that you made me in Sunday school. So does anyone know why we chose that family photo out of all of our family photos that we could have chosen?
Because we already have one for Mother's Day. Because
Mom knows.
Because we don't have one that's
it's
Father's
sad,
Day.
yeah. No, what it is this is the only family photo we have as a family of 7.
We have 8?
Of 8, that's what I meant. Sorry, I miscount all the time. This is the only photo we have as a family of 8 because Chloe was still alive here.
What?
In Mommy's tummy back then, Chloe was alive. So Mommy's holding her tummy there. Both girls are still kicking around in there, wrestling, punching each other, and loving on each other.
So both of them are in there?
At that time, yeah, Chloe was still alive and kicking. So we chose that one because we struggled really because we didn't take that many family photos that summer.
Yeah, we didn't.
We didn't even pose for a photo at the gender reveal. Like, I don't know why we didn't. We were all dressed so nicely.
What about the one that, never mind.
Yeah, that's the only one we could find the whole summer.
That's
and,
so funny.
And it was off like an iPhone too. It wasn't even with a great camera. So, but that's the one we chose because we want to immortalize a picture of us as a family of 8 boys. Katie chose 1,000. How about this? Favorite trip? Can you at least say favorite trip?
Panama City Beach.
Panama City Beach? That's crazy. Really?
Was such a last minute location too.
It was a last minute random location we chose in Florida. A random beach. Okay, what about Logan?
I want to go with Panama City Beach. Do you know that inside of the pool? That was my favorite part.
Yeah.
Oh, the
inside
pool. Yes.
And the cold part.
And the best part, well, I'm pretty sure the best part is Katie was starting to sort of learn how to swim.
Yeah, she was. Well, you started there. Mommy was in the pool with you. Mommy was teaching you how to swim in the pool at the hotel.
And you were throwing us in the pool.
Yeah, you were jumping in with the... Oh, and I remember, what was she saying?
So scared.
What was she saying? She was saying, so scary. You were going. You were still learning English, and I think you knew enough to say, "So scared. I so scared," and it was so sweet. And we were like, "It's okay. It's okay." What about you, Timmy? Favorite?
I like Panama City Beach. The smell of the dolphins and the teams.
Oh, there were dolphins in the water. You remember walking out on the pier too?
Yeah, the
Those
squishy
weird-
sand that I felt like was a big bounce.
Weird people that were jumping off
I
that.
have a
Oh, the
memory.
people jumping off the
the
pier.
police-
Yeah.
And people catching like midnight
Ridiculous.
crabs.
Oh yeah, at
midnight
night.
crab, yeah.
People Oh yeah, catching the crabs at night. That family. I forgot that.
I have a memory.
That was the
I
last
got
night
buried
for
in the sand and I tried to get out.
You did get buried in the
Yeah.
sand. Oh my gosh, what great memories. We know you all have a lot of memories that you cherish from those trips as well. In fact, we have a montage prepared that we want to share with you. It may be a tearjerker, so you may want to get your tissues ready. We made it! Yay! We made it to 1,000 subscribers today, and Sparky's excited. Everybody's excited. Yes, we made it to 1,000. We can't believe it. It's a huge milestone for our family. We feel so blessed that so many of you want to share in everything that's happening in our family day to day, and in our family.
we are expecting baby number 5. We are so stinking excited. We're having twins.
A lot of special memories. It's just crazy to think how far our family has come in those years, and the majority of what we've gotten to share has been since Katie came home, and she was integral to the start of this relaunch of our channel, exactly, in 2017. As many of you know, we have older videos that go back before that, but the relaunch really came when we adopted her, and you can just see our family, such a completeness there growing, and then adding the twins to the family. Just it's an amazing journey. It really is, to be able to look back on your life. It's really special. You know, people always ask us why we do what we do, and we do it to share our lives, you know, with all the people who would be, you know, willing to watch. But it is a blessing to have all of that footage of your life to look back on and cry and laugh and share memories. I do feel like our children will be more cognizant of all the wonderful memories they've made in their childhood because we have it recorded. And I know that Melanie and I will cherish that in our old age as they have children of their own, hopefully doing what we do, documenting all the memories. I know Melanie and I will cherish it forever, and I hope they will too. I know they will too. They already do. You heard them sharing their memories. It's just amazing. So we appreciate you watching today. We hope you enjoyed this trip down memory lane. We take that same trip every time we pass by this wall, and we hope that when you see it in the background, it will spark wonderful memories for you too. We love you, Zoo family, and we'll see you soon.
Bye!